Too Faced primer. We're gonna rub that into our skin. If I look up for any reason, it's because that's where my mirror is. I'm gonna do my eyebrows next, just so that everything has time to settle in, because I find if I put my foundation on top of it straight away, it sits a bit funny. So today I'm gonna go in with the NYX Micro pencil, which I have been loving. This one and the Benefit pencils instead of the pomades at the moment. I feel like the pencil these days is so much nicer for my eyebrows. I hope this lighting's good. We got a new lamp, well, I did, and it's a lot brighter than my old one, so hopefully this helps with filming at night. Hopefully, keyword. And today for foundation we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty in shade 110. I find for myself, if I pack too much on, I look too white and too washed out, so I only go in with a little bit at a time. If I need to build up, I do, but I don't really take too much of it anymore, because I found it wasn't working. Well, it did not working, but it was working, but didn't look as nice. That's what I meant. I feel like there's more I need to like cover up. I go in with a little bit more foundation, but then it's usually in this spot here, so I usually just conceal. But just for the sake of it, it needs a little bit more on my nose. So I'm just going to use the tiniest little bit. Now, I know I normally do my eyes first before my base, but I sort of like did it backwards today. And I'm pretty sure from memory the eyeshadow palette doesn't have that much fallout, so it's not a big deal. Otherwise, I would be wiping it off and starting again. I'm just going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. Does anyone have any recommendations for concealers? Because I feel like it's time for a new one. Now to set all this in place, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me 120. Especially here, and here. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Colourpop Poolside. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it has bronzed up my skin. I'm gonna go maybe a little bit darker just so it hopefully shows up. I am sorry that this lighting is not working and it's not showing up as well as I thought it would. So either way, my lighting's shit. Please excuse me until I work out something to get this going. I think I'm just gonna have to try and film into natural light as much as possible compared to nighttime. So I'm also using the Butter Blush Physicians Formula. We finally have these at Priceline and they smell so good. The bronzer is of course already sold out, so I can't wait till they come back and I can try that. I feel like I look very one-dimensional, like there's no shape, there's no colour to my face, but it's there, I promise. Okay, now I'm going to get the Shaaannxo palette, the remix one, and I am going to start off with Clarity. So I'm starting off with that one just through the crease. And I'm just using a Kylie brush. It doesn't say what it is, but it's just a fluffy blending brush. Vampette, which is that dark shade right there. Now this is something I've recently learnt off Nicole Concealer, and she learnt it off Mitchell, I think it was. But yeah, I learnt it off Nicole Concealer, and I'm actually really liking how this eyeshadow technique. So yeah, I learnt it off Nicole. She has a new like technique if you don't know about it. She explains it a lot better in her videos, but my gosh, I am loving it. So that's what I'm going to do today. So yeah, I'm going in with Bambette with a little pencil brush, again from Kylie, and I'm just putting it through the crease, a little bit lower than the crease line. And it doesn't matter if it gets on your lid, because I'm going to clean it up later anyway. So. Oh, it's a bit too much on that side. It's fine, we can fix it. So now we're going in with Lover, which is that shade there, and we're putting, as Nicole says it, 50% on the actual eyeshadow and 50% above, so that it blends out very easily. So you got the darkest shade first and then the lighter shade. So you're just going to set it about there and start blending. I'm going to go in with a brush that doesn't have any other product on it, and blend it out more. And now I'm going to go back in with that pencil brush and deepen up that line, and I'm just going to do this a few times to keep it blended, and I'll be right back. I hope you can see that. I'm like trying to move in a little bit closer myself, just so you can see the eyeshadow a bit more. I don't know if you can see, but it is a bit thicker here. So what I'm going to do is get concealer and clean that up. So like I said, it was fine if it went on the base of your eyelid just a little bit. Probably should have found a lighter shade than the purple that I did to make this stand out more, because I've done it with other eyeshadows and I feel like the line and the crease stands out a lot more when I've done it. This beautiful chrome shade here. And I'm also getting a little brush and gonna go in with Holy Grail, which is just that one there, and just put it in the center because it's a bit lighter. And I'm also gonna put that just on the brow bone just here. So I'm gonna go off camera and do the other eye and my mascara, and I'll be back and we can do the rest. Okay, so now I'm going back in with that pencil liner, and I'm just running some of that purple underneath the lash line. Okay, I'm gonna quickly spritz my face. And I'm gonna line my lips, and then I'll do highlighter. Okay, I was just using an Essence liner just then. First one I picked up. Okay, for highlighter, I think I'm gonna do the Mary Lou by the Bar. I also got that now back in the price line here, so that's cool. Big Morphe fan brush, doesn't have any numbers on it, which is annoying. That is gorgeous. Also gonna go in with the Tarte Bestie for my lips today. And this is the finished look using the Shaaannxo palette, the remixed one. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm very sorry if my lighting became too bright at any point, if you couldn't really see anything, but I do hope it's okay. And please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because that would mean the world to me, and I'll see you next video.